Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install apps on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Play Store and then from here you can install the suggested apps, and if you want to install a specific app then go to search bar and search the name of the app. And after searching it will show you the results, and from here tap on install to install the app. Now it will start downloading the app, and after downloading it will automatically install the app in your mobile, and then you can tap on open or play to open the app. Now there is another way to install apps. So for this, open Galaxy Store. Now in Galaxy Store follow the same steps. Go to search bar and search the app, and after searching it will show you the results of the app that you have searched. Now from here, after opening the app, tap on install, and then it will also start downloading the app. So these are the two ways to install apps on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.